Well, good day everyone. We have just we've been having one of those days actually, trying to work out our mobile phone coverage, and we've just finally bit the bullet and actually gone for Verizon. But it's getting on around about 6 o'clock and we've just come across Fort Laramie, and they said it's an historic site and we didn't really expect it to be as impressive. But what I'll do is I'll just show you. This is one of the first settlements in Wyoming. And it's got a whole series of historic buildings. And the boys are over there playing with the sprinkler. That worked out well. Found a rabbit. Yeah, so it's quite a remarkable little place, and it's all the way open till sunset. So we've still got a good couple of hours we can explore, and we'll do that, and we'll probably just try to find a place to camp.
From theft, sabotage, and livestock damage. Marauding fowl.
Boys are just learning a little bit about Fort Laramie National Park, or the National Historic Site, I should say.
Shall I read this? Mm-hmm. Large numbers of chickens are consistently running through the post garden, destroying seed. All officers are hereby directed to take such prompt measures as may be necessary to coop their chickens up as all found in the post garden after 1 o'clock.
Boys are...
And this is probably where they eat.
This is the old Bedlam, designed and built by the US Army Engineer Department. Old Bedlam was constructed in a Greek revival style in 1849 for a cost of $36,000. Yeah, this historical site is quite amazing. They've done an absolutely incredible job. You know, that's the laundry. It shows the bedroom. And Braden said that they actually caught up with a baby little rabbit.
Yeah, I know.
And we had the CO's quarters downstairs as well. And I'll just come out here and I'll show you the beautiful parade ground. Just extraordinary. Yeah, so that's the kitchen, as you'll see. And obviously got the dining room right there, the officer's dining room. And obviously the CO's office. Pretty cool, hey? Yeah, and now the buildings here were the officers' quarters. It said they were, shows a building on this site in 1881. And they reckon the left-hand building was the CO's quarters. Yeah. Boys are enjoying the rabbits. There's lots of rabbits around here.
His first public school was opened at Fort Laramie in 1852. Schools often suffered from inadequate facilities along with shortage of textbooks, supplies, and qualified teachers. Not until 1881 did regulations make commanders responsible for providing an effective school system. Read that one, Dylan. Fort Laramie School.
We're in the cells. Dylan's gone into the isolation cell. You want to shut the door on him? See how dark it is, mate?
Probably be pretty dark, huh?
What do you reckon? Oh, you can't. Oh, Dylan's hiding in the isolation cell there.
Come and read about being a prisoner.
Military justice. Punishment harsh and certain.
As long as you behaved yourself and performed your duty as a soldier, you get along all right. You soldiers...
Yeah, beautiful sunset occurring now here. Yeah, and it was part of the Oregon Trail, so there was lots of people used to travel through here. They estimate about 350,000 in the late 1800s per year. So.
There might be horse riding tomorrow. If you don't have... Okay. There's a fort.
No, this is a dining hall.
Yeah, but it's just school.
Yeah. No, just because this was already barracks. You already passed the schoolhouse, so it's the dining hall, and we just. Here we are. Look at the sleeping quarters, guys.
Real guns.
They are, Dylan, aren't they?
It looks like an orphanage.
Dad's Dylan, yeah, they tell people to sleep. Dad used to sleep like this when he went to boarding school. Exactly like this.
Hang on, wait a second. You had to go to the orphanage.
No, it was just boarding school, and they had the big open dorms like this. Pretty cool, eh, Dylan?
But why did you need to do boarding school when you already had your own parents?
Oh, because I lived away for a little while, Dylan.
Oh, so you've gone to boarding school because you went away for a while.
I did, mate, just for a term it was.
Oh, I get it.
Ah.
So, wait, hold on, boys. What's the Pony Express? Gordon, what do you think the Pony Express was?
Oh, it's a cartage of ponies. Light making it move.
Yeah,
I don't know, it's a good guess.
there you go. Funny, because, so, yeah.
Ponycliff would routine, St. Joseph, Mission Cemetery, California, U.S. Department of the International Park Service.
And look, you've been to Salt Lake City. That was part of the Pony Express, and now we're at Fort Laramie, which is
And Sacramento.
yeah, Sacramento.
Oh, is the Pony Express where you ride to the group?
Well, our little tour of Fort Laramie is coming to an end, and we've only got a little bit of sun left, so we might go and try to find a campsite. But well worth the stop if you are going through Fort Laramie in Wyoming. I could highly recommend it. Just extraordinary work by the National Park Service in restoring this and making it such an important site in the US's history.